Welcome back to our Chōwa Concept Home in lovely Las Vegas, Nevada. We're excited to show you around today because a lot has changed since you last saw it. We're going to take you inside and we're going to visit with the creative team that helped us make this home the beauty that it is. See what goes into this home and what makes it so different and so special.
The whole concept here is East meets West, right? We're taking the American culture and with the Japanese influence of Sekisui, because how we approach projects and how they approach projects are very, very different. And so what we wanted to do, both for them and for the homeowner, is make it very comfortable and livable.
This is actually the first collaboration like this in the world, where you have a Japanese home building company who works with a U.S. home building company to create a unique product. Throughout that process, there's lots of learning opportunities, but you can see from the finished product that all of that collaboration and hard work was worth it.
Every decision we have made has been about paying respect to the architecture. It's very important, and so hopefully we found the right balance. I think people are really going to be drawn to the incredible views. Very few homes have as much outdoor living as you do in this house. It's almost off of every main room. You have this incredible balcony with this incredible outdoor living where you whether it's your family or your friends, you can open up all the doors, people can come and go, and so it just has this very friendly feel, very comfortable, but at the same time it's just a beautiful home.
The project is amazing, the house is amazing, it's very unique, and so it's very cool to be part of a project like this. I can't begin to express how the feel of the house is different. You see pictures, and the pictures are going to be, oh, great design, good views, good lighting, but it doesn't give you the sense of space and how the house is balanced and how you truly get that indoor-outdoor feel. It's really a much different experience coming through. And so that experiential effect is incredible. So, you know, they say picture's worth 1,000 words. Well, an experience is worth 1,000 pictures. And that's really what we would hope as people walk through the house and feel the space would really be able to say, I experienced something different there.
Well, thank you for joining us. We're glad you were able to come and tour the home with us, but there's more. Come join us through Facebook Live, Instagram Live, when we're at the International Builders Show, and we'll show you more about this home and what went into it from start to finish. See you then.